The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2019 through 2023 and likely beyond Subaru Forester with the factory installed raised side rails. We've just installed the Thule WingBar Evo raised rail base rack system. So this consists of the Thule WingBar Evo load bars, 50 inches in length, black shown here, but silver is also available, and the Thule Evo raised rail foot pack, which come in a set of 4. Overall, you have a weight carrying capacity of 220 pounds, evenly distributed, and crossbar spacing is variable along the length of the raised side rails. It's a really great system for all sorts of gear, whether it's kayaks, cargo, or even rooftop tents. But that's just a quick look for this vehicle. For more details, pictures, or purchase of this complete system with a couple clicks, visit the link in the description below. That's it for this one, but like always, thanks for watching.